we're facing a fairly serious situation in Africa, and of course, it's of international concern because we've learned our lessons from COVID and the previous mpox outbreak in 22. That outbreaks don't just stay isolated in different regions of the world. So we have to do whatever we can to contain what is happening in Africa. The latest data that we've submitted actually is really, really important because hopefully it will extend the use of our vaccine down to adolescents, as you said. And more than 70% of the cases in Africa currently are in people younger than 18. So it's going to be critical that our vaccine can be used in this younger age group.
Yeah, I just wanted to run through just some of the symptoms. We haven't really spoken about mpox then specifically on this show, and just wanted to speak to a few of our viewers as well, just with regards to some of the symptoms for mpox, including fever, chills, swollen lymph nodes, exhaustion, muscle aches, and even backache, headache, respiratory symptoms. The incubation period here is still 3 to 17 days. And the symptoms may still occur, but the person may actually feel fine as well. How ready are you to ship off vaccines? And let's talk about the worries then with being able to even ship those vaccines to Africa, where, of course, a lot of this has been happening in countries like the DRC, Burundi, and even Kenya.
Well, we're ready to ship. I mean, until recently, the product was not approved in Africa. So we've been working with various different agencies the whole year, actually, to get the product approved. There is now an approval in the DRC and also in Nigeria. So it opens the door now, both for governments to buy the vaccine, but also for Bavarian Nordic, as we have, to donate doses and get those doses shipped. And hopefully we can start vaccinating people very, very soon.
Well, we've drawn comparisons to COVID here, and obviously there have been lessons learned. But when it comes to transmission, this is quite a different virus we're dealing with, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it is spread through body contact, close contact. So, as I said, it's primarily in children right now and adolescents in Africa. So it's a serious situation that needs to be dealt with. And Bavarian Nordic is part of the solution, but we are not the sole solution here. The international community needs to come together with Bavarian Nordic and really find a way of distributing this vaccine and containing the outbreak that we have ongoing in Africa.